Hey everybody, today I just got in the mail Nintendo DS Lite lime green. It's pretty old. I'm not too sure when these things came out, but I really needed one because I'm about to transfer some Pokemon from my old game to a newer game, Soul Silver, so I just kind of want to get one. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. I've kind of opened it already, but I just wanted to make sure it was legit. Because you never know with old stuff if you're getting a authentic item. But anyways, so basic trash. It's going to go in the trash probably. Right here, your manuals. Cool. Your charger comes in that little slot. You get your charger. Put this in the camera so the camera can see it. There we go. Alright, and
put it in front of the camera.
No.
No.
We're gonna have to redo this.
No. Yeah, that's fine.
And then what everybody cares about right here. The actual system. Kind of don't really want to get too much fingerprints in it. Buttons work good. Screens look pretty good. Pretty clean, brand new. No scratches, no wear and tear, no smudges. Let's see if we can turn it on. There's nothing in it. And it's gonna have you set up your language and time and all that. So turn that off for now. Alright. Anyways. And it also comes with the pick. That's the sun color. So. And it's already got one in it, it's an extra pick. So. Pretty cool. And this is Oliver investigating. Alright. Anyways, that's everything. Alright. Thanks for watching.